Today I am reviewing Comfee Portable Washing Machine. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a compact, full-automatic washing machine that delivers both efficiency and convenience, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine is an excellent choice. This 0.9 cubic feet top-load washer is designed for people with limited space, making it perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, or small homes. Despite its small footprint, it's packed with features that make laundry easier, faster, and more efficient than you might expect from a portable machine. One of the standout features of this washing machine is its space-saving design. Measuring just 17.7 inches deep, 18.1 inches wide, and 31.5 inches tall, this compact washer can fit in tight spaces or even in a bathroom corner without taking up too much room. The built-in wheels and handles make it extremely easy to move around, whether you're shifting it from the living area to a laundry space, storing it under a counter, or moving it in an RV. For anyone living in a space-constrained environment, this portability is a game changer. When it comes to washing performance, the Comfee Portable Washer offers 5 specialized wash programs: gentle, heavy-duty, normal, rapid, and soak. This variety ensures that every type of laundry, from delicate fabrics to heavily soiled clothing, receives the proper care. The gentle cycle is perfect for silk, lace, or wool, while the heavy-duty cycle can handle thick towels, jeans, or gym clothes with ease. Additionally, the washer allows for customization, letting you adjust the load size, wash time, rinse time, and spin time. This level of control is rare in compact washers and gives you the ability to tailor your wash exactly to your needs. One feature that really enhances usability is the LED display. This display shows the remaining time for each wash, so you always know exactly how long your cycle will take. Coupled with the transparent lid, it lets you monitor water levels and observe your clothes as they are being cleaned, which adds peace of mind and convenience. Inside the machine, the durable stainless steel tub is built to last, resisting rust and corrosion even after frequent use. The machine also comes with 2 built-in rollers, which improve washing efficiency and ensure clothes are cleaned evenly. A lint filter captures unwanted fibers, leaving clothes looking fresh and clean every time. Energy efficiency is another highlight. The Comfee Portable Washing Machine carries a DOE certificate, which demonstrates that it consumes significantly less energy than comparable models. In fact, it can save up to 87.5% in energy usage, making it an environmentally friendly and cost-effective choice. The washer's powerful motor spins at up to 840 RPM, delivering thorough cleaning performance while remaining quiet, so it won't disturb your home environment. A feature that sets this washer apart from many others is the Auto Unbalance Detection System, or AUD. Unbalanced loads can cause serious problems in portable washers, including leaks or excessive vibration. The AUD system detects any imbalance in the load and automatically adjusts the water level to correct it. If the imbalance cannot be fixed automatically, the washer will alert you, ensuring both safety and reliability during every wash. Another advantage is the machine's versatility. With multiple cycles, adjustable water levels, and customizable wash times, you can handle everything from everyday laundry to heavily soiled garments or delicate fabrics. The washer is easy to operate via the push-button controls, making it user-friendly even for those who are not familiar with advanced machines. In terms of installation and mobility, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine excels. Its lightweight design, built-in handles, and compact form make it extremely portable, allowing you to place it wherever is most convenient. Whether you live in a small apartment, have limited counter space, or want a portable solution for travel or temporary living situations, this washer adapts to your lifestyle without compromise. In conclusion, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine combines space-saving convenience, customizable washing options, energy efficiency, and reliable performance in a single package. Its combination of 5 wash programs, LED display, stainless steel tub, auto unbalance detection, and portability makes it one of the best choices in the compact washer market. For small households, students, RV enthusiasts, or anyone who wants a reliable and efficient washing machine without sacrificing space, this washer delivers everything you need. From ease of use to powerful cleaning performance and advanced safety features, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine stands out as a top-tier portable washer. It simplifies laundry day, saves energy, and fits perfectly into limited spaces, all while keeping your clothes clean, fresh, and ready to wear. If you value efficiency, convenience, and durability, this portable washer is a smart investment that will transform the way you do laundry.